So one of the things we all need more of in our business is time. And running a trades or a building business, time can get away from us. I'm sure a lot of you know people out there, yourself or maybe other trades and builders out there, that are working too many hours. Now if you imagine this, there is a trades or a builder out there that's working, say, an extra 9 hours a week. Now those 9 hours could be things that are done in the office. It could be marketing, social media, quoting, following up projects, getting prices. It could be a variety of things. Imagine if I could show you a way to get back 468 hours in a year. And it's actually pretty easy. So one of the things we've got here that you can download is a statement by supplier form. And when you download that form, that's a form off the ATO website that allows you to employ somebody as long as they've got a tax file number. So they could be 14 3/4 years old, and as long as they're keen to work for you, you just need to get the form, get them to fill out the form. You don't need an employment contract, you don't need any superannuation, there's no ABN and no GST required. Obviously have a look on the website to make sure that you're using everything properly. So here's what you do. You get the 9 hours that you're working and you think about the things that you can actually give this person. So whether it's social media activities, helping you with quotes, helping you with pricing, whatever it is. Let's assume that you're a builder and you're charging $100 an hour and you want to pay this person, to keep it easy, $20 an hour. So there's an $80 gain straight away. The other good thing is you're giving a job to somebody in Australia and you're freeing up your time. So 9 hours by 52 weeks, that's 468 hours for the year. So by using this one page statement by supplier form for the ATO, you're going to free up a lot of your time, you're going to save some money, and you're going to give somebody else a job. It's pretty easy. Just download the form off the library and get started.